Well, welcome everyone to Real Balance Global Wellness Services. I'm Dr. Mike Arloski, your host, and this is Health and Wellness Coaching Tips Advancing Your Craft. This is a series of tips that we're producing here to help you become a better coach. Real Balance Global Wellness Services Incorporated has trained health and wellness coaches all around the world that number in the thousands. So we'd like to share some of that wisdom that we've gained with you. And what I'd like to talk about today was the topic of a recent blog that I did that received particular attention and lots of good reviews. And that is getting yourself out of the way. Now, this is a term that we often use in the whole health and wellness field, but also in all of the helping professions. What do we mean by it in health and wellness coaching? How does that show up? How do we kind of get in the way of being an effective coach and the health and wellness journey that our client is on? Well, one of the ways it shows up is when our own agenda gets in the way. Now, we know in coaching that one of the primary actual cornerstones of coaching is that the client's agenda is the agenda. But all too often, we find ourselves kind of pulling for our own favorite way to be well. And this can happen without us hardly even realizing it. That's why listening to your own recordings, getting some good supervision or mentoring every once in a while is a great idea. But what it can look like is perhaps leading questions. You know, we've all kind of got our favorite ways to be well, favorite ways to exercise, to eat, to relax, to manage stress, all those kinds of things. And it's easy to let that kind of influence what's going on in the coaching. So we have to be vigilant about that. The other way it shows up is in our action planning. Now, ideally, we are co-creating with our client action steps that they're going to be using in the coming week or two to work on improving their health and wellness. And the idea is that we do work that out together with our client in a co-creative way. But what I hear coaches doing sometimes is saying things like, I need you to do this. I want you to do this. You ought to do this. And you will find that if you can drop those phrases from your coaching vocabulary, just eliminate the phrases, I need you to, I want you to, you ought to, your coaching will improve tremendously. It'll become a lot more client-centered, a lot more co-creative, and you and your client will find that you're really able to work together in a better coaching relationship. You'll find that you're able to create things together in a more cooperative way where the client sees a lot more value in what you're talking about and in what they're discovering. They buy into that action step more because there's a motivational connection now that they see. It really feels worth it. It really feels like there's some real value in doing this. So when we talk about health and wellness coaching, we want to get out of the way and really let our clients be the ones who are front and center. We're going to be producing more little quick videos like this to help you become a better coach and really advance your craft as a more masterful coach. We educate and support great wellness coaches through our training, our fully interactive webinars, and our live trainings that take place all around the country and all around the world. So check us out at realbalance.com. We've got a great resource section there where you can find some of our recent free monthly webinars, more videos, and our blog. So be well, do good work, and we'll see you on down the line. Take care and be well.